What does it feel like to own a private jet worth millions of dollars? For Ghanaian billionaire Ibrahim Mahama, that dream is now a reality. From building one of the biggest cement companies in Ghana to flying across continents in his own jet, Ibrahim Mahama's story is one that continues to inspire many young entrepreneurs across Africa. But what kind of jet did he buy? And how much does it cost? Let's find out. Who is Ibrahim Mahama? Ibrahim Mahama is one of Ghana's most successful businessmen. He is the founder of Engineers and Planners, a company that provides mining service to some of the biggest gold mines in Africa. He is also the owner of Jata Cement, one of Ghana's largest cement manufacturing companies. Interestingly, Ibrahim Mahama is also the younger brother of Ghana's president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. But while his brother built a career in politics, Ibrahim Mahama built his empire in business. Recently, reports and photos circulating online suggest that Ibrahim Mahama has added a luxury private jet to his collection of assets. Private jets, owned by billionaires like him, can cost anywhere between $70 to $100 million, depending on the model and customization. These jets usually include luxury leather seats, private bedrooms, conference rooms, high-speed internet, fully equipped kitchens. Owning a private jet is not just about luxury, it is also about saving time and moving quickly for international business deals. For someone managing companies across Africa and beyond, time is money. For business tycoons like Ibrahim Mahama, private jets make travel easier. Instead of waiting at airport or dealing with flight schedules, they can travel anytime and anywhere. This allows them to attend meetings in different countries within the same day.